DEERC Brushless RCcar's 300E. This is a pretty powerful four-wheel drive RC car. Let's take a look at what's in the box. It has 2,440 waterproof brushless motor and 18 a brushless escape. 2 pieces 7.4 volts 1200 mAh batteries and 1 USB chargers. Also, the car has 2 PVC car covers, a red one and yellow one. It is a 1:18 scale small RC car, but it is a heavy car. Because it has a quality thick plastic chassis and has metal parts. It has 2.4 GHz remote controller. The hobby-grade RC car can be easily controlled within a range up to 328 feet. Extra 2 pieces of spur and pinion gears. We are already prepared for possible accidents. The differential gears are metal and they have spares. There is a tool for changing wheels, spare wheel screws and body shell pins in the box. I have 2 separate chargers, but the Amazon information page says just one included. I'll show you the inside of the car. Oil-filled shock, waterproof brushless motor, 18 a brushless escape. Important parts are metal and it supports 3S LiPo battery. It says that it accelerates to 60 km, but these batteries will be insufficient. You will see the maximum speed in our speed test. Motor power is sufficient for this speed, but first, you need to upgrade with a 3S LiPo battery. For oil-filled shocks and for wheel-independent suspension, allow the DEERC 300E to keep its composure over rough terrain, as you're blasting around the yard, vacant lot, or race track. As you can see, some powertrain parts are metals. High-toughness tires are soft and elastic, which can be adjusted based on the road. Proportional throttle and steering, 3-wire servo, 1 kg torque, anti-seize protection and low-voltage protection. It's a little expensive, but it's obvious why it's expensive. It's a real little monster. Now let's give this beast a speed test.
Caution, contents hot. 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 You got to give me all you got. Caution, contents hot.
You got to give me all you got. Caution, contents hot. You got to give me all you got. Caution, contents hot. You got to give me all you got. Caution, contents hot. You got to give me all you got.